I know very little about AC power or running electric into a shed. My son's a licensed electrician, so that sure came in handy. I'm used to working on DC on my motorhome, 12 volt, and so it's a lot different. The power from the main outside is introduced to that box inside from this little box here that has a switch that operates this exterior light above the door. I'm sure this wiring is not to NASA standards, but for an apprentice like myself, it came out okay. I'm sure it's going to work. I took a 2-day break for a serious cold front that came through Texas, got down to 17 degrees. I had to really push the plate that goes over that box to get all those wires inside. I hope it works when we flip that breaker on. So I ended up with 2 receptacles on the left side wall. On the back wall, I have 1 receptacle that the switch operates. In order to flip the switch so my fan will come on, which I mounted up in that vent as an exhaust fan because it gets awful hot in Texas. And this one I put on the other wall just to have it. I doubt if I'll use it much. So I have an outlet on all 4 walls. And that light is wired with a switch up near the front. So I'll have a light inside the shed operated by that switch. My son ran the power source from the ground alongside the ribs that I'm building for my ramp, and then up and into the shed through a GFCI breaker. After the electric was installed and the ramp was complete, I built a just under 8-foot workbench. Of course, you have to have pegboard for your tools. Just beyond the workbench, I built shelving to hold Sterilite plastic containers. Beyond that, I put dowels to put seasonal clothing because my RV closet is pretty small. Here I put 1x4 shelving to put cans of paint, etc. Finish it off putting the plastic shelves that I brought with me. I still have a few other things to do. I'm going to put all the tools up on my pegboard. A few other things, a little touch-up stuff, but I'm pretty much done with that shed. I am so glad to. I mean, my work day is a lot shorter than it used to be. So, and then to catch everybody up, you know, I was wondering about getting another dog, and I was pretty sure I was going to. Well, my son has a dog that they're not able to keep. And so he asked me if I wanted to take it. And this little dog is a ball of energy. She's a Yorkie, a small dog. I always thought of myself as a kind of a German Shepherd or a bully or something. But, and bullies are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so loving. But here was an offer to have a dog. And I really like this little dog. It's really cute. So I'm going to go up there Valentine's, and I told him I'd come up and babysit. So we'd have some time with his wife on Valentine's Day and pick up this little dog and bring it home. So I'll show you as soon as I get it.